I guess you must hold on.
All aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. Casey Jones, let's ride. The train is clear, Casey.
Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? On the right is the Tweetsie Junction, with a handmade sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises. So many folks met their ends through violence and gunplay in the streets, they died with their boots on. means our cowboys have a real lot of business to take care of. But keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of a wilderness.
Whoa, Grandpa. What's this?
No, where's the horse at? I don't see no horse over there.
You sheriff! You sheriff! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey, what?
Oh man! I got a peculiar feeling.
Oh, really?
I feel like we've been out here before. What do you call that? Deja something.
You're so close, and it's probably because we've been out here about 3 times today already. We come out here every day.
Maybe I panicked for no reason.
Shut up, lady!
That's peculiar.
Sure is. We better go check it out. Come on,
Yeah, you do that. I'm gonna go this way.
Now, Deputy, you hold it right there. I don't know what we're looking for, but I would bet you 5-2-1 you won't find it in that outhouse over there.
Yeah, but we've been running these things over fast.
I thought I told you to go before we left town. Oh, go on.
All right, I'll be back.
Folks, it looks like my deputy's going to be a little busy for a little while, so I'm going to need some help from you all. Now, we've been having a whole lot of trouble with red masks wearing bandits. So if you see me going at a point and holler, all right? Come on, guys. Good practice. Oh, there's actually a bandit behind me? All right, I'll take a look, all right? All right.
On the barrels.
He's right there. Behind the, what? What now? Behind
the barrel.
All right, now look real fast, all right? All right. 1, 2, 3.
On the barrels.
Behind the barrels, all right, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go around the barrels now, and I'm gonna look over here. Oh my God, too much cotton candy today. I'm gonna go take care of business now. Y'all keep your eyes peeled if you actually see a hot sauce bandit, all right? All right. Now, why didn't you tell me there was a bandit behind me? Come here. Take this! And stay out. Actually, no, we've got some free gold in here. You want to come back in here? All right.
Ow. That was not so fast now. Yeah. Well. Look at what I got here. My very own sheriff.
Say, what's the big idea? You know, someone could get hurt.
That is the big idea, Sheriff. I'm here to rob this train. Lots of fast. I got the drop on you, buddy.
Well, looks like I got the drop on you. Now get to stepping.
Hey, who are you fellas anyway? Well, Deputy, I'm so glad you're here. Hey, this is our good chance. Woo. My name is Texas Pete, the rootinest, tootinest, and most handsome cowboy here. Over here to my left, my little sister Tabasco. She is also here. And together, we are the Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits. Oh, he is to laugh. Hey, what's so funny, you two?
Oh, listen here, Mr. Sauce, was it? We don't want no trouble.
Oh, trouble. Well, trouble's what you got, Sheriff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, all righty then. Oh, get on over there.
All right, come here.
You two outlaws enough of these games. Get on that train, go get me that gold.
You can't do that.
I'm sorry, why can't you?
This is for the troopers at the Fort Boone.
Yeah, you take that gold and that trooper's gonna start crying and boohooing. He's a grown man, that's an awful sight. Well, where? Cry me a little river. I don't care, because we are gonna be long gone by then. So get on that train, go get me that gold.
I don't think I made myself clear. I ain't getting no gold for no mask wearing,
Whoa.
skunk smelling, ill-mannered wannabe bandit like yourself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Well, all right then.
Oh!
All right.
Oh! What's up, you want to go? Oh, I'm sorry. There we go, all right. We can do all that going together.
Well, I'm gonna get along some roast from Orchard Collins up at the palace.
All right.
Or some fudge from the fudge shop. Or a saddle.
Yeah, saddle. You don't even have a horse. Whoa. You two lawmen, get back over here. Tabasco, open up this gold box. What we got inside?
There's only 2 bags of gold in here.
2 bags of gold. They're not even full. It's like a half bag of potato chips.
See, what these 2 ignoramuses over here don't know is that most of the other gold already at the border, so y'all just keep it under your head.
Yeah.
What? Well, I underestimated your stupidity, Deputy. Looks like we're going to take a little field trip up to Fort Boone.
I'm getting too old for
Get this gold box back on the train. Tabasco, you are going to take care of these passengers.
You got it.
Thank you.
Alrighty, folks. I'll be serving y'all today. How about some sweet tea with a lot of ice, maybe an appetizer?
Tabasco,
What?
are you doing?
I'm taking care of the passengers like you said.
Oh, let me rephrase it. We're bad guys, okay? We're not supposed to take care of them like we're waiters in a restaurant. Take care of them in a mean way.
Well, that's not very good customer service,
I don't
but you
care
know,
about customer
whatever.
service.
You're getting a sweet tea. You're getting a fruit, and you're gonna love it.
Casey Jones will let you on Wild West Puffin and take this train up to Fort Boone, will ya?
Folks, these bandits don't look none too friendly. It's probably best to stay out of their way. Casey Jones, we better do as they say and take the train on up to Fort Boone.
That's right.
Now, folks, I've been a conductor in this train for a mighty long time now. And I've seen many an outlaw try to rob the old Tweetsie train, but not one has ever been successful. Till now. Doesn't look like anyone's going to be coming to our rescue. I reckon these here bad guys have finally won.
Well, Mr. Conductor, you are darn tootin' that we won. You're just lucky that we didn't go through all these train cars tossing off of your precious little passengers. I guess we're just too tender, that's all. Now, if you know what's good for you, I suggest you keep your mouth shut now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And what if I don't?
Wild West whooping.
Wild West whooping.
Yeah.
You couldn't tear up my baby picture, boy. It weighs 10 pounds.
All right, let's get to work, shall we? You two lawmen stand over there in front of the barrel, keep your mouth shut. Hey, Tabasco.
Yeah?
I got a special task that only the toughest and only the bravest outlaw can handle on this side of the continental divide.
That's me.
Exactly. So you are going to take this here rope. You're going to tie up those lawmen.
Sure thing, Yosemite.
That's it. Hey, what did you just call me?
Yosemite.
Keep your mouth shut, lunkhead. We don't go by our real names. We go by code names. Texas Pete and Tabasco. Got that?
But you just called me Lunkhead.
Because Lunkhead ain't your real name. That's just what Granny always called you. Now go tie them up. Folks, don't work with family. Don't do it.
Oh, thank you. Rings around the rosy, pocket full of happy ashes, ashes, we all fall.
Tabasco, will you hush it?
Down.
This is why you didn't win Tweetsie's Got Talent. All right. I know I got first. That's why I'm in control, not you. I'm the boss. You're nothing. Boss, nothing. Boss, nothing. Thank you. We're going to go inside the board. We're going to look for the goal. I'm going to go that way. You are going to go that way. We're going to meet in the middle. Got it?
Sounds good.
All right, let's do it. Just go through the front doors. You should stay put.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Oh, they didn't even turn up, did they? Oh my goodness. Good help is hard to find, y'all. Please,
What
thank
we
you.
gonna do now?
Well, I don't know, you already came up with such a brilliant plan already.
Well, Sheriff, what in the world's happening out
Well,
here?
hi there, Marshal. What are the odds of you showing up right about now?
Pretty good. My deputy and I heard y'all coming through the cut right there. We figured we'd stick around and lend you a hand if you needed one. From the looks of things, we got here just in time.
Well, you sure did. Thanks to this one, that we've got some hot sauce bandits running around inside the fort.
Hot sauce band inside the fort. Oh. Tell you what, how about my deputy and I ride back there and see if we can help you wrangle these hot sauce bandits?
That sounds like a plan.
All right.
You two take to the bogs or anyone that can help.
Plan, all right.
Fair enough. Let's get in here. 1, 2, 3, bring them out
There you
now.
go. This is the last time I'm breaking you out of the nursing home. You know that?
Maybe we just scream. Somebody will
All
help us.
right. Fine job for the both of us.
Help!
Come on here, Owen.
Hey guys, all right. I ain't seen y'all in a while. How are y'all? Hey man.
Well, someone out here is supposed to be guarding the bowls.
Yeah, is that you? I thought y'all were supposed to. What's up?
We've got some hot sauce bandits running around inside that fort. We better take care of that, all right?
Where did you go?
I'm here.
Oh, hey, there you are.
Yep.
Hey, have you seen that gold anywhere?
No, I haven't seen any go, but I found this
Let me take a look at that.
handle.
All right, this candle. All right, dynamite. Look at that dynamite. You know, I bet you those longer ones do. So what do you think?
They're right down there. They go behind my chest.
You know what? Maybe I will. Hey, woman, you did. Wait a second. How did I get on top?
Hey, we got loose.
And you didn't have a very convincing knock. And then the marshal showed up and his deputy again.
Nice try,
They're
woman.
not here,
You're just
actually.
in there. There ain't no marshals in there. Lunkhead, stop tapping my shoulder. Lunkhead, I'm trying to talk to the lawman. Hey, what?
What?
Marshals.
I've got Yosemite books right here.
Hey!
Sorry, it takes me 2 minutes to get up.
Get it! It's there!
Should have known. Well now, what do you say we do with these bad guys?
I say we take them up and we lock them in the jail.
Alright, sounds like a plan. What do y'all do if the rest of their gang shows up? Don't you worry, we'll take care of the rest of the flaming hot sauce.
Get on the
Now,
train!
don't make fun. It took me a whole week to come up with.
Montez, you did not come up with that. Graham Chipotle did. And we were one and got away with this. If it weren't for you, Melody, come
Get on the train!
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and have a great big round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys and Cowgirls. Casey Jones, let's get this train on back to town.
That was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town and I'll tell you a little bit more about the train. In case you missed it earlier, our train is being pulled by a genuine coal-fired steam locomotive. We have 2 locomotives here at Tweetsie Railroad, built by the Locomotive Works of Philadelphia. Number 12, the original Tweetsie locomotive, was built in 1917 and ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad. From 1918 to 1940, the train ran daily between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. The train got its nickname Tweetsie because of its whistle echoing through these mountains. Our number 190 locomotive, the Yukon Queen, was built in 1943. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960. In its day, our locomotives would burn as much as 5 tons of coal and use up to 5,000 gallons of water making steam to pull us around the mountain. Many of the earlier settlers in the area lived in simple log cabins, much like this one. They're small and have dirt floors, but they keep the family cozy and warm during the harsh mountain winters. Well, looks like our train trip is just about over. Sure hope you all like what you saw. We'll be pulling back into town in just a few minutes, and you can treat yourself to some good food and cold drinks. Maybe take in a show at the Palace Saloon, or visit one of our many stores and get a souvenir to take home. There's a lot to see and do at Tweetsie. Ride the rides at the country fair, head up to Miners Mountain and Danforth Gold or the precious gems. Visit the deer park soon. There's more rides and shows out there for little ones of all ages. Then if you want, come on back and ride the train. Things are always changing out here in Road West, and you never know what might happen next. Today can give you directions to wherever you want to go. Don't forget you can upgrade your ticket to a season pass just by visiting our ticket office. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling